G'day, here's a reasonably easy parcel for a beginner to cut or get practice on it. It's not high grade. They're nice large pieces that you can hold in your hands on the grinder. Rules in millimetres, the material's being wetted. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Basically, you can see here a bit of colour up on the top here, a little bit over there. The rest of it's probably potch, but in saying that, until you saw it with the saw, go through a little bit at a time, you might find another colour bar. There's a potch layer, the coloured potch layer just here. Again, a little bit of colour, not a lot. It's nice and thick though, so you can hold it with your hands rather than having to try to dop it. Another piece similar. Blue purple crystal. Long thin bit. Different material. It's fairly clear through here, so it might make an easier stone to cut. It's probably the easiest piece to cut. Little purple bar. Again, that's more sort of just potch. This is this piece. Well, there's a colour bar here of green starting to show. How far it goes in, don't know. But it's not an expensive parcel, but it's maybe a good place to start. I don't think you'll get any gems out of it, but good luck. Cheers.